We designed Morphéis in order to have an anchor-focused solution. That's the first system that locates the anchor and not the boat. The idea is to have this buoy above the anchor, and it's totally energy self-sufficient thanks to the solar panel. Plus, we wanted to answer all the needs of the customers and the boaters, so it sends you an SMS on your smartphone if your anchor sleep. So you can go to the restaurant and just relax and chill. The goal was to keep it very simple. You have the buoy first. Inside there is a 25 meters long rope that is very strong. A dynamite-like rope that can pull 700 kilograms. Then you have the electronical part of the buoy. You put it like this above the buoy. And thanks to very strong magnets, it stays in place. If you want more security, you can attach the electronical part with this small security rope, like this. Then it cannot go away. Let me show you how to use it. You take the buoy, and just for security, you put the security rope. Like this. Then you switch on the module. Just a short push. Then I will hook the buoy to the anchor. After that, I just have to put my anchor as usual. I just let the rope inside the buoy go with the anchor. Once I'm sure that the anchor is on the seabed, I put the buoy on the water.